Now they have given us this kind of a shape. This is given, and then this is given over here. This part is shaded. Okay, they are saying find area and perimeter of shaded region. This I have to find over here. Now, what they have said over here, they are saying that this whole part is 28 centimeter. This is 14 centimeter. This length is 14 centimeter, and this length is also 14 centimeter. This is given to us, right? Now, they have said that whatever is given over here, they are either semicircle or they are arcs. Okay, whatever is given over here, they are either semicircle or they are arcs over here. So according to that, we are going to do the working. So first of all, for area of shaded region, for area of shaded region, how will I do the working? As they have said, it's all of them are semicircle and arc lengths. So it means what? Okay, this is a very large semicircle over here. Okay, and from this large semicircle, I will subtract these two semicircle over here. Right? So now, what I am going to do? Area of semicircle formula will be area of semicircle. Semicircle is always half of the circle. So circle formula is pi r square. Circle formula is pi r square, and as it is semicircle, as it is half, so I'm going to divide it by 2 over here. Okay, semicircle divided by semicircle is area of circle divided by 2. Okay, so now I have to find the shaded region. So how will I find the shaded region? First of all, I will find the larger one, area of the larger one, and then I will find the area of the smaller circle. Okay, so area of large semicircle, large semicircle, area of large semicircle. So pi, radius of large semicircle, the diameter of large semicircle is 28. So the radius of large semicircle will be 14. So 14 square upon 2. Okay. Pi into 14 square upon 2. So when I will simplify, 14 square will be 196 into pi upon 2. Okay, 14 square I have got, that is 196. Pi values as it is, divided by 2. This I have got till this point. So now simplifying it, when I will simplify this one, this will become 98 pi. This will become 98 pi, and in the final simplification of 98 pi, I am going to get 308 centimeter square. This is the rounded off value of 98 pi. Okay, I have got the area of the larger one. Now, area of small semicircle. Now I am going to find out area of a small semicircle. Again, the formula will remain same. Pi r square over 2. The formula will remain same. Pi r square over 2. But now, for the smaller one, what is the diameter given? Diameter is given 14. So I will take the half, which means pi into 7 square over 2. Okay. So when I will simplify it, this will become 49 pi over 2. Okay. By simplification, I have got this value. And further simplification will give me 49 pi over 2 by using calculator. The result is coming 77 centimeter square. Now, this is the area of one semicircle. A small semicircle, I have got 2. So what will I do? Area of 2 small semicircle means 2 multiplied by 77. You can do the same thing over here directly, or you can do separately also. It's your choice. Okay. So when on simplification, the result is coming 154 centimeter square. The result is coming 154 centimeter square. And for shaded region, for area of shaded region, what will happen? I will take the area of the larger semicircle, which is coming 308, and from that I will take out the area of unshaded region, which is coming 154, which is coming 154. So 308 minus 154, the answer is coming 154 centimeter square. That's the area of shaded region. When it comes to perimeter of the shaded region, what you have to do over here, perimeter means the boundary. Okay, so how will you do the boundary thing over here? See, this is the part which is shaded region. This part is the one which is shaded region. So what will you do? You will go with the boundary of the shaded region. This is first boundary, then this is second boundary, this is third boundary. This line has nothing to do with the shaded region. Okay, because line is over here and the shaded region is at this part. So you don't have to do anything with the line over here. Line will have nothing to do over here. So how will I write the perimeter over here? See, the first one, this part. Starting from here. See, I am starting from this point. Going like this. This is the arc length of large semicircle. Arc length of large semicircle. Okay, I have reached this point. Now this part, this one, that is arc length of a small semicircle. Arc length of a small semicircle. Then this part again till this point. That is again arc length of a small semicircle, just like this one. So what I am going to do over here, I will multiply this whole thing by 2. Okay. Now we are talking about arc length of a semicircle, right? So we know that the circumference formula of a circle is 2 pi r. Circumference, the whole circumference formula of a circle is 2 pi r. We are talking about semicircle, so we will divide it by 2. Okay, we will divide it by 2. Same thing will happen over here. Arc length of a small semicircle. For a small semicircle, I am taking radius as small r. 2 divided by 2. Circumference of a circle, that is 2 pi r. I am having semicircle, so I will be dividing it by 2. Okay. You can do the cancellation and you can directly write arc length equals 2 pi r, or you can write it in this form. That's both fine. Here are two small arc length, so I will multiply this side by 2 over here. Right? Now 2 and 2 will be cancelled, 2 and 2 will be cancelled, so I am having pi capital R plus pi small r multiplied by 2. Right? So now plotting my value. This is the large one. So R. This is complete 28 for the arc length. The diameter is given complete 28. I will be using half of them. Pi. Half of 28 will be 14 plus 2 times pi, and the diameter of the smaller one is given 14. I need radius. Radius is half of diameter. So half of 14 will be 7. Okay. Now simplifying it. 14 into pi. 14 pi plus 7 to the 14 pi. 14 pi plus 14 pi will become 28 pi. 14, 14, 28. Pi will be written as it is. The value of pi is 22 over 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28, 4 into 22, 88 centimeter, and that's the perimeter of the shaded region in this given question.